every day.
Listen for Dave and Janovic 9 to noon on KSL.
Saturday with a high of 88.
Love me like I am.
Positive, encouraging K-Love. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed in the event of a national, state, or local emergency. Positive, encouraging K-Love.
Upgrading and investing in our care systems in this country.
The Democratic National Convention in Chicago.
No, and that he's got. The 49ers whooped them.
Proud partner of the University of Pittsburgh Panthers.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. Operational area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Tired of sweltering in your